guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing paintball, and as you can see, it's loading in. It's taking forever too. Just give us a minute. There we go. There we go. Alright, skip. I do not care. Couldn't care less. Sorry, that's kind of mean. But please hurry up. Oh my god, it's laggy. Laggy. I don't see anything, but I'm deploying. This is a worse gun. Oh my! Don't care. Skip. What is this game? I mean, I know what the game is, but he sniped me. What was that for? Alright, we got this. We got this, boys. We got this. We are good. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Ooh, we're good. We just go like that. Oh my! He's invisible! That's not fair! Oh, I really have $0. Oh god, that's embarrassing. We got this, boys. Come on, let's go. You dog walker. Oh, I got him! I actually get money for that. Thanks. What's that timer? Oh, 3, 2, 1. Oh, we're done. Oh, why did I screech? Yay, I'm leaderboard ranked 13. That's so good. Nuclear tower. Actually, no, yes. Yeah, nuclear. What the heck? Oh. Are we red team now? Let's go, boys. We're red team. Oh my god, they're cheaters. Oh god. That is like a cannon. How am I supposed to complete? Gotta go bottom. Got him. Let's go. First kill. Got him. Dang it. She got me. We got this, boys. We got this, so. I'm going upstairs this time. Ah! You little cheater. Well, he's not cheating. Exactly. I'm gonna jump over here, so he can't get me. Dang it. Oh. Come on. I'm going down. Oh, Dang it. What kind of gun is that? Oh god, that's a brutal gun. Come on. We go. We go. We go. Who go? We go because we are cool. Yo. We're not that cool. That is not okay. Not nice. Oh my god. That's like a weird gun. Strange. Doctor Strange. Heck yeah. No, I don't know what I'm talking about. Oh my god, you little turret. You little turret foot. You little foot face. That person is invisible. That is a cheater. That is a straight up cheater. What is that gun? That's creepy. Like they turn into bones. I see a person. Oh gosh. That was that thing that I'm hearing. It's a drone. Oh! He has 3 turrets! That's not fair! Oh, dang it. No, why did I try? Why did I try? Oh, now we have 2 turrets and in the worst place ever. That's literally... Don't want to say it. Stupid! I'm kidding. Sorry. We got 5 minutes. Alright, after this, we're gonna be done. Okay, sorry. We're gonna have to... Oh my! He didn't save my life in time. He didn't save my life. Well, I can't depend on him, I guess. Oh, really? You had to go like that? That's so nice of you. You're so kind. Come here, buddy. Oh! He has a drone and stuff. Oh, I was taking out his stupid weapon. True. Oh. They cornered us. They corner us. This is so unfair. Oh my god, that is a slide. Is he still alive? Come on, boy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ah, you're so sneaky. That is not real. That can't be real. I want to murder him. Where do you live? No, I'm not coming out. Oh! Finally, he's out. Finally. Now we're going over here until they die. Whew. Scary. He didn't touch me. If he did touch me, then he is a hacker and went through the walls. That's all I'm saying. I'm going up. Wait, he's not from our team. What the heck was that? The lion sleeps tonight. Oh, she died. Come on. Come on. What was that noise? Oh! God, we almost got them. Alright. 2 more minutes on the clock. We gotta make this. Come on, make this last one count. Alright, guys. We got this. Come on. Smash that like so I can get stuff. Smash that like once so I get a Powerade. And maybe I'll get stuff to be better. Just smash that like button and subscribe, please. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, I know what I'm doing. I'm getting shot with a paintball over and over, and it's annoying. Come on, have a taste of your own medicine. Yeah. Never know if it will hit or not. Just gotta find out. Oh God, we got less than a minute. Well, we already know we're not winning this bad boy. This one. We're not winning this one, but worth the shot, right? Oh God, it's glitchy. It's really glitchy. What the heck? Ah! Oh, it's glitchy. Alright, we're good. He's a stupid scaredy cat. Is that my dead body? Oh God. We're dead. Ugh! I touched it. I just barely hit it. I did hit it. What the heck? That was unfair. Oh. Oh well, it's fine. Alright, let's see what we got. Well, I'll see you guys later. That's it for this. And don't forget to smash and like that. Yeah, what am I saying? Don't forget to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button. And I will see you guys later, I guess. Bye.